Ní léon doubt faoach when na taispeántas is fear a rang a hain tuk ag dure for an doire cosúlata go méid tionchar nach beag acu ar an gréamh an éireocht leis an ngalibh stop a chuirla na rúthair. Bhí Marcus Ó Buaicphointí Seán Og de Puir a barc an fíorsaigh don ceann seo.
Doherty, sin pass das is on deis it's on Bader avoid is on deis an tóca ag Owen McAvoy. Ní seo flairtí ha spás aige, ha kitóga aige, ha kick aige, ha clinis aige, sin scór allin. Ha rein spás an so aige, Darcy Diriseach ar báide! An líróid san báirte san angach. McAvoy go McGuigan, her nascadí glas, spás aige glas. Ha sé sin, alínta ar fad O'Connor glas. Ní féidir dis orlach spáise hurt an versa. Daly leis an gitóg a dírgan ceansa. Briste sé seo steach am eile bhaide. Deisir bhaid an a hamáil ar fad ó Scullion. Fósán ábhacht an Niall Daly. Scullion a ríis an leiach dochare. Feire sin mar fás ó McFall. Seo chuin Baker. Baker déanamisteach ar bhaide. Ach is tóilm gur cicéir go bheith a gin an dochare. Leis an gitóg agus báirte san angach agus Shane McGuigan. Lachlan, déanamisteach ar bhaide. Well, níor bhain Seinnteoir agus sin Mickey Hart a hás an na sásta. Is an versan sásta chuma. Breathnaigh sin sásta an fíorsaigh Gaillimh. Héan a hain déag. Doire, 3-10.
After the great start we had with that goal and a point, we sort of took our foot off the paddle, allowed them to come back into the game, made life hard for ourselves. I'm sure at half time they were thinking they had the job well under control, and I suppose when we got the second half goals it would have been a bad day for us, but sure, isn't it good to have Dublin coming to town and be in a position where we can see how we match up to their quality. And looking at it last night, that's going to be a big ask, but hopefully they won't bring that kind of form to Celtic Park.